In this video, we are looking at the latest addition to 64 audio lineup, or the universal lineup to be precise. This is the 64 audio U4s. They had a A4 in their lineup that was a custom IM, that wasn't a hybrid, that was a BA based IM, but this is a hybrid IM, and there are a few interesting things here. This is probably the least expensive IM that comes with Apex modules, and that is a very good thing. The Duo we had last year, it was a semi-open back IM and didn't need any Apex modules out there, so that was a fantastic thing to be precise. But this one does have Apex modules, and I believe these are the Apex modules we are looking at. This is the M12 module that only comes with this particular one, U4s. There are no Apex module in any other IEMs from 64 audio. We will look into the modules. It isn't exactly required at this point of time, but in any case, here is the 64 audio U4s for you, opened by the custom, and they looked at it, I believe, or they just took it apart or something like that. They were inspecting what are the stuff inside the box. I am expecting a 4.4 mm cable here. I'm not exactly sure, but no, there's no 4.4. There is only 3.1. I told the guy that it will be nice if he can provide a 4.4, but in any case, this is the stuff we are getting here. Some silicone, some spin fit, and some uh, memory foam tips. Here are the modules, and one pair of module are already on the IEM, so that's a great thing. Glass back, metal build, very similar kind of nozzle to other 64 audio IEMs, and this is a reasonably wide, I'll say 4 mm, 4.5 mm wide nozzle, and should fit T400, T500, not T500, T400 size tips with 4 mm bows without any issues. These are the Apex modules we are looking at. Fairly simple to take out and install, I believe. So this is what it looks like, Apex module. So I'll check them. Insert it fully. There are two ways to install this. You can insert them halfway in, or you can push them deeper too. So that's a great thing. So here we are, 64 audio U4s. Beautiful looking IMs, gunmetal kind of finish to it, and looks very good. Very familiar design. So this is it. I'll be comparing it with a couple of similarly hybrid IMs. I do not have exactly basic kind of hybrid like this in this price range. I'll compare it with Fibae 5 and few other similarly priced IMs. So this is it. This is the unboxing of U4s. So thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy.